to Science Biology. Let's practice some quick and important MCQ on environmental microbiology. Perfect for your exam and quick revision. Stay tuned and let's level up your preparation in minutes. Question number 1. In an ecosystem, the energy flow is. Correct answer is option A. Energy flow is always unidirectional. Question number 2. The following type of food chain is dead animal, lowy maggot, frog, snake. Answer is option A. Detritus food chain. Question number 3. According to the ecological pyramid for energy, maximum energy is required by. Answer option D. Primary producer. Maximum energy is required by primary producer according to ecological pyramid of energy. Question number 4. The pyramid of energy always upright state that. Answer option A. The energy conversion efficiency of herbivores better than carnivorous. Question number 5. A wide variety of living organism is called. Answer option A. Biodiversity. Question number 6. A pond is. Answer option C. A natural ecosystem. Question number 7. Ecosystems are. Answer option C. Both open and closed depending upon the community. Question number 8. The renewable exhaustible natural energy resource of the following is. Answer option D. Biomass is the renewable exhaustible natural energy resource. Question number 9. Removing decomposer from the ecosystem will cause. Answer option B. Mineral cycle to stop. Question number 10. Biodiesels and bioethanol are example of. Answer option B. Renewable energy source of energy. Biodiesel and bioethanol are the example of renewable source of energy. Question number 11. The non-denitrifying bacteria of the following is. Answer option D. Bacillus ramosus is non-denitrifying bacteria. Question number 12. Nitrogen fixation is the conversion of. Answer option B. N2 to NH3. Question number 30. Important enzyme involved in nitrogen fixation are. Answer option A. Nitrogenase and hydrogenase are two important enzymes involved in nitrogen fixation. Question 40. The number of molecules of ATP required to fix one molecule of nitrogen are. Answer option D. 16 ATP are required to fix one molecule of nitrogen. Question number 50. Ammonification is the formation of. Answer option C. Ammonia from amino acid. Question number 60. Conversion of nitrates into conversion of nitrates on nitrogen is called conversion. Question number 60. Conversion of nitrates into nitrogen is called. Answer option D. Denitrification. Question number 17. The following bacteria are responsible for conversion of nitrites to nitrates is called. Answer option C. Nitrobacter are responsible for the conversion of nitrites to nitrates. Question number 80. Conversion of ammonia nitrite and then to nitrates is called. Answer option D. Nitrification. Question number 90. Which one of the following is the major constituent of biological membrane, nucleic acid and cellular energy transfer system? Answer option B. Phosphorus is the major constituent of biological membranes, nucleic acid and cellular energy system. Question number 20. Which of the following component is used to make cells, bones and teeth by animals? Answer option A. Phosphorus is used to make cells, bones, teeth by animals. Question number 21. Which of the following is the nature reservoir of phosphorus? Answer option B. Rocks are the natural reservoir of phosphorus. Question number 22. Which element is not released during the respiration in the atmosphere? Answer option D. Phosphorus is not released during respiration in the atmosphere. Question number 23. How do herbivores and other animals obtain phosphorus? Answer option D. From plants. Question number 24. Respiration and photosynthesis are central to this process. Answer option C. Carbon cycle. 25. The source of carbon to plants in the carbon cycle is. Answer option D. All of the above. Fossil fuel, carbonated rocks, atmospheric carbon dioxide are the source of carbon to plants in carbon cycles. Question number 26. Name the process by which carbon return to the atmosphere as a CO2. Answer option C. Respiration is the process in which carbon return to the atmosphere as a CO2. Question number 27. The following is not a process of pesticide management. Answer option D. Antibiotic development is not a process of pesticide management. Waste management, pollution control, manufacturing process is the process of pesticide management. Question number 28. The hydrolysis of following compound create environmental problems. Answer option D. Volatile compounds. Hydrolysis of volatile compounds create environmental problems. Question number 29. The following is a sustainable alternate for environment. Answer option D. Bioremediation is a sustainable alternate for environment. Question number 30. The following does not use microbial degradation method. Answer option D. Redox potential does not use in microbial degradation method. Sewage sludge, pesticide disposal, polluted water are the microbial degradation method are used for microbial degradation.